Hi and welcome back to a new video course regarding investing in ICOs and cryptocurrencies. I am very happy to see you on the board, and before we will start I want to make a quick introduction about who am I and why I decided to create this video course. So first of all, about myself. I have been in the internet marketing for over 10 years, but first of all I am very happy family man, I am very happy husband, and family is always have been on my first place. We love to travel in different countries. I love also, as you can see, to spend time in running long distances and in triathlons. So as I said, families always have been on their first place in my life. Secondly, as you can see, I am one of the top instructor at Udemy with close to 100,000 students on board, and mostly all my video courses are regarding app building, regarding mobile apps, because I'm also owner of appsmoment.com, and we have been on the market for nearly 5 years, and as you can see we have nearly 60,000 members on boards which are using our app builder for creating mobile apps, and our system, as you can see, created close to 1 million mobile apps, so the number is a huge one. So now let's go back to why I decided to create this video course. First of all, I see that there is a huge boom regarding investing in ICOs, where people are making a lot of money of them, and also investing in Bitcoins and Ethereum and so on and so on. And also I mentioned that many people are even paying money for such video courses, and I believe this is wrong. You know, you don't need to pay any money at all for any video courses or for some experts which will say you where to invest your funds in cryptocurrencies. I think this is wrong, because I believe that this information need to be free one, and instead of paying somebody, you need to invest those funds in cryptocurrency world and get arrive from your investment. Okay, so that is why I decided to create this video course, where I will explain step by step what is, first of all, cryptocurrencies, like what is Bitcoin and Ethereum, what is ICOs, and how to invest in crypto coins and ICOs, and what you can get from that. Okay, so I think this is it. So let's start with the first with the second video, where I'll explain more about cryptocurrency coins. Alright, so thanks for watching this one video, and see you in the next one. Bye for now. Okie dokie, welcome back to video number 2 of ICO Expert video course. So in the first video we spoke about a little bit introduction about myself, and in this video I want to introduce you to the cryptocurrency world. And cryptocurrency world actually is divided to two parts. First one is coins, okay, and the second one is ICOs. So let me briefly explain you both of them. So if you will go to the coinmarketcap.com, you will see actually the picture of what's going on right now at this moment in the cryptocurrencies. As you can see, market cap is close to $400 billion. Bitcoin's dominance is 35% approximately, and you can see here there are like thousand different coins are selling on the market. Treat them like, for example, like different regular currencies, but in digital area. So for example, like you have, each country has its own currencies. The same is actually different coins. As you can see, on the first place is Bitcoin. You can see how big is market cap, price at this moment, change what was made during the last 24 hours, and how many actually at this moment there are Bitcoins on the market. The same, you can find information on each coin. For example, on Ethereum, price right now, how many circulating in supply they have, price difference during the last 24 hours. And actually you can go even deeper. For example, if you will click on any information, you can see for example how it was, the price was made during 1 day, 7 days, 1 year, all, for example. So you can see how the price go up and down. This is actually the first one tool which you can use for your business in the cryptocurrencies. So again, coinmarketcap.com, but I like more this one, livecoinwatch.com. And why that? Because you can see here more detailed information, because you can see what was done during the last 1 hour. So you can see, for example, the price went up, price went up, price went down. So this is more for people who are trading every single day with cryptocurrencies. Okay, now let's go to the ICOs. So as I said, there are also ICO, and let me explain what is that. ICO stands for initial coin offer, and initial coin offer is similar what you see in the regular market. For example, when Apple released their stocks, the price was very low at the beginning. Now, as you can see, as you know, the price is very high. So the question is only which company to buy such stocks at the low price and then sell at the high price. The same you can make again example with Google, okay, with Amazon. So if you would invest, for example, funds at the beginning when the price per stock was very low, now you can be a millionaire, correct? The same is coming for companies which are issuing their own tokens. Tokens are like similar to digital coins, so different companies can issue coins, and they are making announcement that, hey, like for example, like as you can see, the January 8th is going to be the start of our first token sale during 1 week, and it is up to you to invest in such company or not. All right, again, it is up to you which company you want to invest. Just again, believe me, there are a lot of scammers in ICOs, so this is similar to traditional business, so it is very important to select which company ICO to invest. Now let's have a look on the best ICO all the time, so for you to better understand how much you can get from investment. And as you can see, on the first place is Ethereum, and if you would invest in their tokens at the beginning when they started, at this moment you will get, as you can see, such big number of percentage from the ICO. The same is about Neo, so you can see such high and high return on investment. Komodo, okay, and it is going down, but still, as you can see, you can get even 7,000 percentage of investment, and as you can see here, it is even more. So as you can see, ICO is really great one, and investment in coins also good one. It is actually up to you which strategy you will select, either to go with coins or with ICOs. We are going to speak about that in the third video. But before we will go to the next video, I want to also to share with you the main 3 principles in investment in general in coins or in ICO. And the first rule is that you need to invest so much money that you will not be afraid to lose them. So this is a game, so it's like you can lose them at any moment, so it is up to you how much you want to invest in them. Okay, rule number 2, that if you are making profits, so take those profits when the price is going up, so don't be afraid to take profits and reinvest in new coins or in new ICOs. And rule number 3 is always think about long term. Okay, don't think about the short term, about what's going on right now today, but think about long term. So those 3 principles, I believe the main one for anybody who wants to jump in the trading coins and or investing in ICO. Okay, so now let's go to the video number 3, where I will explain more about different 3 strategies which you can have during investment. Okay, meanwhile, thanks for watching this video and see you in the next one. Bye for now. Okie dokie, welcome back to video number 3. And actually in this video I would like to explain you about 3 different strategies of investing in cryptocurrencies and tokens. So there are 3, as I say, strategies. And the first one is long one. The second one is middle one. And obviously third one is going to be short one. So let's briefly explain you what does it mean all 3 these methods. The long one, as I said, the long first one is when you are looking for investment and you see a return of your investment from 1 month to 1 year to 12 months and even more. So in such way you are simply investing some funds in crypto coins or in ICOs, and you will see, as I said, return on your investment minimum within 30 days and maximum approximately 1 year. The perfect example here is actually ICOs. Usually ICOs giving you return on your investment like minimum in 30 days, 60 days. So long-term investment is ICO, and we will speak about that more in the next videos. Now the second one is middle one. Middle one, I will say this is from couple days, like from 2 days to 30 days. So this one is also good for some people, and the perfect example here can be if you are waiting, for example, for release of some news, some product update in some cryptocurrency or in token. For example, let's say that for example, couple weeks ago we had example with, let me show it to you, what is that, with the Tron. Okay, that was a couple of weeks ago, and at that time they simply made a big conference in Korea about their release of their network, and after that everybody waited for that price will go up. And again, about middle one strategy we will speak in the next video. And the last one is short one. It is everything from 1 minute and to 24 hours, I will say, maximum 48 hours. So let's say that you are waiting again for some news that today is going to be some update, and that news can give you up in the price. Another example can be also with day trading. For example, at this moment we are looking for how price is going up and down in Bitcoin, and if you are good with investment strategies and you know how to read these indicators, you can, for example, get price up and down, as you can see, so you can get profits from every single time when it is going up and down. Again, let me take some example. For example, if we would invest here and we will close up with our position here, as you can see, within like 1 hour you get 5% profit, just nothing actually from trading, right? So, but again, it does you need to have a lot of skills to doing this. You can, at this moment we are looking this at 5 minutes chart, right? You can change this, for example, like to 30 minutes, and so it will be more, and you can, for example, sell it right here and go down 8% within like how much, within couple hours. And again, you're going to buy here and going up another 9%. So this is calling day trading, and sometimes it is also calling swing trading. So every time it is like going up and down, so you are either buying or selling this one. However, this is high risk investments to doing this, but I will speak about that in the next videos as well. So in this video you learned about that there are 3 different strategies. It is up to you which one you will select. I will cover them in the next video. And actually right now we are coming to the point that, okay, you want to jump into investing to the coins or to tokens, but what to do next, how to start that. Okay, so let's talk about that in the next video. Meanwhile, thanks for watching this video and see you in the next one. Bye for now. Okie dokie, welcome back, and this is video number 4. And in this video we are going to cover some basic information regarding, okay, you want to jump into buying coins, tokens, and participate in ICO, but where to start with that? I mean, like where you can buy Bitcoins, so how to create Ethereum wallet, and where to buy, for example, another coins using your Ethereum or your Bitcoin. So I'm going to cover all of that in this video. So first step, I believe this is very important one, is okay, where to buy Bitcoins or Ethereum. Information can be actually you can find at coinmarketcap.com. So for example, if you'll go to Bitcoin and you will select markets, you will see the biggest players and how much they are selling and buying, and you can scroll down and select and find your actually currency. For example, let's say Bitcoin to euro Kraken, so you can click here and go to this website and buy from them bitcoins. Okay, if you are, for example, based in America and in Canada, you can find for USD right here and buy directly, for example, from Bitfinex. So this is the first step. For example, if you're in Australia, okay, let me find it here. Okay, as you can see, you can search by your currency and find information on this website how you can buy Bitcoin using your currency. Okay, so this is the first one method. The second method is using website localbitcoins.com. And for example, let's say that you are, I'm just for the purpose of this video made, that you are based in France, so you are searching for local people who can buy and sell you bitcoins. And as you can see, there are different list of countries, so you can select, but be careful because there are some scammers here, so always look at the feedback. For example, here it is over 1000 positive reviews with 100% positive, so this is, I think this is good one seller. So I think these two methods will explain you perfectly where you can get your first bitcoins. And the next step will be for you, okay, you got your Bitcoin or like say, or Ethereum, where you can trade using your bitcoins. For example, you decided to go and invest in another coins. Okay, for example, you decided to buy now. So where you can do this? Again, you can go to the markets and see which websites are exchange platforms are selling that. For example, Binance, Bitfinex, and we are coming to such question which exchange platforms to use. And I believe that there are couple of them, biggest players in the world. One of them, let me open it one more time. One of them is Poloniex.com. Okay, this is one of the biggest one. Another one is hitbtc.com. As you can see, one of the oldest one. Another biggest platform in the world is Binance.com. And actually another big player is Bitfinex.com. Yes, Bitfinex.com as well is one of the biggest one in the world. So all of them are already have been on the market from some couple months to some years. So very respectful one platforms where you can trade and buy your another coins. Okay, now we are coming to the last question. For example, if you decided to invest in ICO, for doing this you will need to have Ethereum wallet. So question is coming how you can create such free Ethereum wallet, where you can create it, and let me explain you right now. All you have to do is to go to such website, myetherwallet.com. Okay, and as you can see, create new wallet. So you can, for example, create a new wallet here with a password, and at the end you will get to this wallet address and hidden key, which you need to store that. When you will have address, you will be able to deposit your Ethereum currency to this address. Okay, so for example, you can when you will have, for example, money in Bitfinex exchange platform, you can withdraw to the address which you just created. Okay, so basically that's it. Basically you got your first Bitcoin. Now we covered which exchange platforms to use, and now you also have Ethereum wallet, which you can use later on for ICOs, because ICOs accept only Ethereum wallets which are not created on exchange platforms. So myetherwallet.com is one of the best solutions for that. Okay, meanwhile, thanks for watching this video and see you in the next one. Bye for now. Okie dokie, this is video number 5. Okay, guys, and well, let me write it. And in this video, because in the previous one we explained where you can buy bitcoins and where you can start trading. So now you have, for example, your Bitcoin or Ethereum and you want to start trading. So let's start explaining every strategy which I covered briefly before, but we will cover each strategy right now step by step. And right now I want to cover the short one strategy. And if you have seen the previous video, short one strategy is coming from trading from 1 minute basically to 24 hours. So I want to show you some cool tools which you can use and for trading this. However, in my opinion, short trading is actually very stressful. Like it is very high risk is that you can lose all your money. So it is up to you to use these strategies or not, because this will not work every time. However, at another side, using this short strategy, you can get from 1% to even, I know people which can made it 2,000, 3,000 percentage per day, just simply using different strategies. So let me again show you this one, this view, trading view. And right now we are watching at Bitcoin. So again, for example, if you know how to read each such indicators, you can predict for example, that the price will go up or down, up and down, and you can get profit from each such trading. For example, here you can get 1% profit. Okay, right here is, let's say, let me take it one more time. Again, 1%. So as you can see, this is actually possible to do this. However, you need to do learning about all of that. And you can use some tricks as well for that. For example, you can use such tool from CoinMarketCap, and they have here trending and gainers and losers. So there they are showing for you which coin has the highest profit during 24 hours and the biggest losers as well. For example, if you would invest in eCoin 1 day ago, right now, as you can see, you would get 2,000 profit. So you can theoretically see the biggest gainers, and maybe they will invest that, and maybe they will go up, but it can go down as well. The same is regarding losers. For example, if they got the biggest loser today, maybe tomorrow they will get up. So again, this is like a game, but this tool can show you. You can also switch it to 1 hour, as that you will see who is losing and who is winning on the market. Actually, every platform has the same one with their coins. If you will log in, you can also sort by, as you can see, by the change, who is the biggest winner or loser when you will log into platform. So this is one method, is with using biggest gainers and losers. The second method, which is to use, for example, new coins which are coming to exchange platform. For example, there is exchange platform KuCoin, another one Binance, and HitBTC, and they're actually adding new coins, not maybe every day, but on weekly basis as well. And when new coin is coming to trading platform, usually at that time, the price is going up. I say usually, but again, it is up to you to use the strategy to know. So firstly, before you will start trading, I highly recommend to do trading on paper. So see this is working or not. So for example, you can use, as you can see right now, I'm using tweetdeck.twitter.com. So I will write here, it is tweetdeck. You can Google this. And I added, as you can see, different Twitter users. You can do this right here, add column, add user. I added KuCoin, which is one of platform, Binance, and HitBTC. So for example, KuCoin, as you can see, added right now Centra. And as you can see, open it on February 9th at this time. So at this time, you need to jump on board and buy it, because usually, as I said, price will go up. But don't be greedy. If you see profit, don't hold it too much, because it can go down. So you get your profit, for example, let's say 10%, and sell it. And you guys, as I said, you can do this daily or weekly. So you can do this with all these platforms. Another method which I want to cover is and to follow is there is a John McAfee. It is very respectful person in cryptocurrency world, and he is doing as what I am calling pumping on some coins, usually every second day or every day. So he's selecting which coin is great one, which ICO is great one, and when he is posting on such information on his Twitter, usually that coin is going up. So that is why if you are using daily trading method, you can follow John McAfee, and when he tweets, start buying and then sell it. Okay, so you can find his in Google. His as you can see, he has close to 1 million followers. That is why, as I said, when he is writing on some ICO, on some tweet, on some token, on some coin, the price is going up. So this is it for daily trading, for short-term strategy. In my opinion, it is very stressful. However, if you want very quick return on your investment, I mean, right now, you can use this. I highly recommend you to start trading firstly on paper and then doing in real life. And this is it for this video. Don't forget to use these tools like CoinMarketCap, gainers and losers, TweetDeck, and follow very respectful users and exchanges on the market. Okay, this is it for this video, and on the next video we will cover midterm strategy. Bye for now. Hi, and welcome back to another video from ICO Expert video course. So we continue to discuss different strategies in details. In the previous video we discussed about short strategy, and now it is time to discuss regarding medium. And before I will start, I want to remind one more time that please don't follow any paid groups or paid gurus which will tell you where to buy some coins or ICOs. I believe that this information is free one, so you don't need to pay anybody for that. So let's start again regarding medium strategy. And medium strategy, if you remember, this is about when you want to invest from 1 day to approximately 1 month. Okay, and to do this, you can also follow some news regarding some ICOs and coins, and I want to show you one great tool which can help you with this strategy, because it can help you to understand when, for example, some coin will go up. And this is one with the name coinmarketcal.com, so cryptocurrency calendar. So if you will go right here, you can see, for example, that Stellar is on which coin. For example, today news regarding Stellar that today is going to be some meetup. So this is like information regarding what is going to be shortly on some coin. Just for example, let's do some example. For example, one of the famous coin is Tron. You can do a search and you can see what is going to be shortly. For example, as you can see, mobile version is going to be released on tomorrow. Then live stream technical on day after tomorrow, and in 1 week this is going to be Union Paywar, so some connection. And so this, as you can see, 3 news, what we can see show me that very shortly something is going to be with this coin. Okay, and so this, for me, this is like a signal that this coin is going to up. And let's actually check what is going on with the Tron. And yeah, as you can see, the price during the last hour went up 5%. During the last 24 hours, 22% went up. And let's compare to the Bitcoin. Yeah, Bitcoin only went up, as you can see, only 1% and only 2% during 24 hours. So theoretically, what I can see that just very approximately during 24 hours, this coin went up, and most likely it will go more even, because this is, as you can see, something is going to be with this coin. So and actually you can select any coin and make a search, as I said, for any coin and see what is going to be shortly, and you will see that medium strategy is also working. And for me it is less stressful, like day trading, because you need to sit every single day and every almost hour near the computer and see what is going on with this trading. Okay, so basically that's it with the medium strategy, and in the next video I'm going to discuss regarding my favorite strategy regarding long-term strategy. Alright, meanwhile, thanks for watching this video and see you in the next one. Bye for now. Alright, welcome back to another video from ICO Expert, and we continue our video course. So right now let's speak about my favorite method of investment, and that is long one. Why I do like this one? Because you can concentrate on your daily life, on other stuff, and meanwhile you can invest some in the long term, for example in some crypto coins or in ICOs. So you don't need to sit every minute, every hour near the computer and see is it going up or down some coins or tokens. All right, so as I said, this strategy I like it, but again it is up to you to use it or not. So now let's speak about this long-term investment. The first method is simple. Is if you have watched the previous videos in my YouTube channel ICO Expert, I made different interviews, and one of the guy simply recommended that one very simple strategy: if you want to do a long term, like for up to 1 year, simply choose top 10 coins on the market and invest in them some, for example, for each of them 10%. So by 10, so you will have package with different 10 coins inside of your portfolio, and in 1 year you will check how it is going up or down. This is one way of investment. Okay, so I think this is good strategy, because if you are selecting top 10s, that means that the team behind of each project is very powerful, trustful one. And in my opinion, for example, at this moment the market is at very low level, and in 1 year it will for sure will be higher than at this moment. But again, this is my opinion. Now the second one way is, as I said previously, is to go with ICOs, and ICO is stand for initial coin offer. This is when the project is starting and they are releasing their own tokens, so you can participate at very early stages of them. And most of the people which are selecting ICOs, they see that they can double, triple very fast their investment. And let's actually see again this best ICO of all time and see how as you can see, big profits, big percentage you can get from good projects. So for you it is now the key only where to find good ICOs to invest in them. Okay, and for doing this we have two ways. First of all, we have a website with our independent rating system, so you can check of them, and this is the first one. And the second one is to follow YouTube channel, because we do on weekly basis different interviews with top ICOs, and also we are selecting, for example, every single month top 3 ICOs to invest. Okay, so again, this is for free, guys. So again, I repeating over and over again that you don't need to pay anybody for such information. This information is free one. Before I will finish this video, I want to cover one more stuff regarding long-term investment, because if you invest in top 10, for example, coins, you base it on, you do investment based on United States dollars. Okay, let's say, okay, so you, for example, invested like, let's say $1,000, and in 12 months you will see what will be the result. However, when you do investment with ICOs, here I recommend to use a little bit different strategy, because here I recommend you to do investment based on Bitcoin. So this is your main goal. So you don't need to compare your investment to United States dollars. Instead, you need to compare to Bitcoin. Let me explain you what do I mean here. Let's say, okay, let's take this here, CoinMarketCap. So let's say you have Ethereum, and you see that Ethereum made today, as you can see, 8% up accordingly to United States dollars, okay? But accordingly to Bitcoin, they made profit 3% today per day. So that's mean, because if, for example, you will be based all the time at United States dollars, Bitcoin, for example, can tomorrow be like $20,000 and you will sell them. However, in 3 months, the price of Bitcoin can be $40,000 and you will not be able to buy such amount of Bitcoins how you did it at the first time. Okay, for that reason, as I said, you need to, when you do long-term investment in ICOs, you need to base it on BTC, on Bitcoin, because Bitcoin price, in my opinion, will be high, and you need to simply see how much profit you got accordingly to Bitcoin. So basically that's it. Again, ICOs is a great way to do investment. We do, as I said, weekly videos on top ICOs. You do have rating system also on our website. And in the next video, I want to show real example of real trading, so you will understand how to do this correctly, and so you will see. Okay, meanwhile, thanks for watching this video and see you in the next one. Bye for now. Okie dokie, welcome back to another video from ICO Expert video course, and in this video I want to make live trading on exchange systems, so an exchange platform, so you will understand how to do this in a correct way. For demo purposes, I'm going to use hitbtc.com exchange platform, which is one of the oldest one, and it is looking like this one when you will log in. And as I say, there are different exchanges. All of them have kind of similar interfaces. It can be different in colors, but in general they are all the same. So first thing, after you created and validated your account, you need to make a deposit to this exchange platform. So as you can see, you can deposit in Bitcoin, so you will select deposit, you will get address. This is where you will, it's like banking account, so you will send here your Bitcoin, or for example, let's say you have Ethereum, so you will send it here. Okay, now let's log out. I don't know why. Yeah, let's go exchange, and let's, as I say, for the demo purposes, let's see here information. First of all, there are, as you can see, different coins trading here. You can sort them, for example, by profit per day, how the best one performing or the worst one, as you can see. By the way, have you mentioned how it jumped? It was nowhere and now 87%. You can also make sorting by volume, biggest one and the smallest one, and basically, so as you can see here, Ethereum performing like this. Here you can see how it performed per day. So when was price like this, you can sort also by minutes. And for example, let's say you have Bitcoin. I have very small amount, but for example, let's say I have like this one balance, and all you have to do is, for example, place here your amount of your Bitcoin price which you are willing to pay, and click buy limit. After that, you need to wait when somebody will sell to you. For example, here you can see that different buying offers and selling offers. So usually it is taking a couple seconds to perform this operation, and then you will have balance your balance in Ethereum. If you want to sell it, you need to do this right here. Okay, and just I want also to mention that if you want to sell it, you can also, or buy it, you can use stop section. That's, you can see here that the stop limit order, like here. Okay, let's do this. Stop limit order is in order to buy or sell a currency when the price reaches a specific price, known as a stop price. So for example, what I want to show you, for example, you bought some currency, let's say at this price, okay? However, if you see that the price is going down, let's say like minus 10%, okay, so you can place stop limit of order. This means that system will automatically sell your Ethereum, so you don't need to sit near the computer. Again, for doing this, you need to use stop section, and different exchange platforms have different ways to do stop order system. So you need to search in YouTube how to use it properly for that exchange which you are using. Okay, so basically that's it. Nothing, as you can see, complicated. If you are good with indicators, you can use them to diagnose what is going on the market and make prediction what will be the next one. Okay, meanwhile, thanks for watching this video, and see you in the next one. Bye for now. Okie dokie. Now in this video I want to show you live example about how to participate in some kind of ICO. We covered in the previous video how you can do trading on exchange platform, so I think that will be good for you to understand how to do participation in ICO. For doing this, as I said previously in the previous video, you need to have Ethereum wallet, and one of the way to create this is to go to myetherwallet.com and simply create new wallet. Excuse me. After you will create this wallet, you will have address. This is like a banking account, so you will need to send your Ethereum to this wallet and use it for participation in ICO. Let's take this example with this ICO Napoleon X. Why I'm taking, because this ICO is still live, and plus this is not bad ICO actually. I like their team. We spoke actually yesterday with their ICO. They have very strong team. They have very good advisor board. Again, this is my only opinion, so it is up to you to participate in it or not. Just simply I want to show you how to do participation in it. So you simply create register now. You need to enter information about yourself. Now don't afraid to provide your information about yourself, because this is regular process. This is this is like a bank account, so they need to understand who they are dealing with. So basically you will need to provide all information about yourself, like your first name, last name, date of birth, where are you living. Also you need to upload your ID card. This process is calling KYC, which means know your customer. This is like protection from anti-laundering law, so they will deal with you like in this. So you will, as I said, you need to upload all information, details about yourself. After you will do this, they will provide you Ethereum address where you need to send your funds. Okay, so after this you're going to back to your account, to your wallet, and as you can see, send Ethereum tokens. Right here at the top, I recommend you to select between 50 and 60 gas price. Yes, so this is be like in the middle, very slow as you can see, maybe fast. So it is like this one. And you need to select how you want to access your wallet. For example, you can do this with your private key. You will do this here, and in the next when you will enter, you will be able to enter information from, let's say, from this ICO regarding where you want to send your funds, and you simply select, put information that. And also there'll be like a question about what price per gas you want to pay. I'm recommending you to select 200,000 gas price. Don't worry about such big number. This is very low one fee will be for you. And within like maybe up to 1 hour, they will receive your Ethereum. And when they will finish their ICO, they will credit you to your address here in Ethereum wallet.com. They will credit you their tokens, and the next step is you need to wait when these tokens will be listed on some kind of exchanges like HitBTC, which I showed in the previous video, or another one. Usually it takes from 1 month to couple months. Well, let's say you can check also about that in the roadmap. And for example, in this roadmap, as you can see, their token listing will be in 1 month. So in my opinion, this is not bad at all. But again, different ICOs, they have different strategies. Usually, as I said, this is up to like 6 months because this is a long process to list token on some exchanges. All right. Meanwhile, that's it for this video. So as you can see, process is not very difficult one, and you can easily join any ICO. All right. Meanwhile, thanks for watching this video, and see you in the next one. Bye for now. All right. We are coming close to the end of this video course. However, this is not over yet, because in this video I want to share with you again tools, different tools and websites which can help you in your journey with your investment in coins and ICO. And for doing this, I prepared this list which you can use. The first one, as you remember, is ICO Expert website with different ratings, and our video channel where you will be able to see interviews with different ICOs. The next one is CoinMarketCap, as you remember, and Live Coin Watch. This is where you can see, like here, what is price is going on right now and on the market. The next is CoinMarket Calendar. This is good for short-term prediction, is when you can read different news about each coins. Okay. Now I want to remind about TweetDeck. This is where you can follow some very good one users and see what is going on, so you can see this in one window. Okay, my Ethereum wallet is for creating Ethereum wallet, which I covered, and the last two ones we haven't covered yet, so let me explain you what it is. Coinigi.com, this is a very actually good one website for setting alerts. You can do this right here in this section on the top. So basically this allows you to create alerts for some let's say coins. For example, you want to know when the price of Bitcoin will be reached, like let's say 8,800. So when this price will reach, it will instantly send you alert to your email or to your telephone, or for example when it is dropped as well. So you can set up such different alerts, as I say, to your email or to your mobile phone, so you will instantly see what is going on. And another cool stuff to track your portfolio is blockfolio.com. You can download app to your device, and let me actually show here example. So it is looking like this, for example. So you can see again here what is price right now, changes. You can also do alerts to your telephone when the price is going up and down. So I think this is also one of the best application to track your portfolio. You can, as you can see in general how it was changes in your portfolio during one day. Okay, so again, let's cover these tools: our website, YouTube channel, CoinMarketCap, livecoinwatch.com, CoinMarketCalendar, TweetDeck, my Ethereum wallet, Coinigi.com, and blockfolio.com. These tools, guys, will help you a lot, and as I said, you don't need to pay something else to somebody else for this. And again, don't pay any groups or members or gurus for some signals where to buy or sell your some coins or to participate in ICOs. This information is free on the market. Okay, meanwhile, thanks for watching this video and see you in the next one. Bye for now.